Okay guys, just open your settings application from the notification area or from the app door. You can see here my Bolt earbuds are connected. It is too much old. Okay, just open your settings application, then select Bluetooth, then select the connected devices. You can see here Bolt audio airbass is connected. So tap on that little I button, then you can see the options. Then you can see the option of high quality audio AAC codec. There is two codec, SBC and AAC. AAC use more data to play the sound, and the codec is different, so it will be improve the audio quality. But actually, it is decreasing the range of Bluetooth. If you're using it, you go far away from it, it will be like buffering. So it's a very simple tutorial. You can use your high quality audio AAC codec on this device. So normally some devices come with SBC codec default, but you can turn on high quality audio. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replaces video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.